Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this PC Mango Calamansing Citrus Grilling Shrimp. This was on sale, so there we go. Here's the side panel if you guys want to read it. Pause the video, ingredients there. And there is the nutrient panel. And let's open this up. Okay, so that's what they look like. So I'm gonna cook them up and we'll do a quick taste test. Stay tuned guys. Alright guys, there it is. I'm gonna cook it up right now and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's a couple of shrimp. They smell really nice. That sort of lime citrus smell. So we'll do a quick taste test. Yeah, it's actually really good, guys. It's got that sort of lime taste to it. Slight heat. It's good. I wish it was bigger. But it doesn't have a lot of like salt on it or anything, so keep that in mind. All right, we'll see you on the next video.